Okay guys, good evening. Right now you're making one of the biggest mistakes you can make on your lawn right now, today in October. So let's talk about it. Now, the temperatures this week have gotten just slightly cooler. Everything's just slightly cooling off just a hair. I'm gonna give you a quick, you can see all this insane wind. So I'm gonna give you a quick view of the lawn here. So we're out back right now. Everything's still dry. I mean, it's just dry as it can be. The we might get some rain tonight. We may not. It just depends. We may not even get some until Wednesday. But here's the biggest mistake that you're making right now. If you have not put down pre-emergent, you need to do it right now, this week. You can't wait. The reason that you can't wait is because the soil temperatures right now are 75 degrees on average. If you look on the bag of pre-emergent, it tells you that it has to be applied before the soil temperatures reach 70 degrees. So if you wait longer, it's going to be too late. Like if you put it down in 2 or 3 weeks, like they're saying right now on October 19th through 20th, we may get our first cold front. That's too late. If you haven't put your pre-emergent product down now, you must get out there and do it this week. Or you're like, when over the winter, when spring comes, you're going to have all this poana, all this henbit, all this stuff popping up in your yard, and you're going to be like, what is all this stuff? So make sure that you get your pre-emergent down this week and make sure you get it watered in. Read the fine details on the bag. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.